Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix G-Sync flickering, stuttering, and lagging. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first method, you want to turn off the NVIDIA app in-game overlay. To do this, open NVIDIA app, then go to Settings at the top, and toggle off NVIDIA overlay. Keep in mind that this issue could also be caused by other overlay software, such as screen recording or streaming apps, so make sure to disable those as well. For the second method, right-click on your desktop and select Show More Options, then open the NVIDIA control panel. Once inside, go to Manage 3D Settings and scroll down to Monitor Technology. If your monitor is G-Sync compatible, try changing this setting to Fixed Refresh and click Apply to see if that resolves the issue. For the third method, stay in the NVIDIA control panel under Manage 3D Settings and locate Vertical Sync. Turn V-Sync on and click Apply. If the problem persists even after this, open your game and enable V-Sync within the game's graphics settings. This should help eliminate screen tearing or other display issues, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix G-Sync flickering, stuttering, and lagging. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.